जगदीश सर सेल्फ कॉल करेंगे.
Meeting call to order.
Meeting call to order. So we'll be muting everyone. So only the person who is going to be speaking will be unmuted on. If anybody has anything to speak or anything, you can raise your hands or you can put it in the chat. We can take it up. So we will start with the joint meeting with the invocation song by our Rotarian Dr. Aruna Muralidhar. So,
sure, thank you. So with Krishna Janmashtami just gone, I thought I would invoke Lord Krishna's blessings for this meeting. भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा. भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयम्. घटि घटितमेखला खचितमणिघण्टिका पटलनिनदेन विभ्राजमानम्. घटि घटितमेखला खचितमणिघण्टिका पटलनिनदेन विभ्राजमानम्. चटुलपद खटित संकुलशिञ्जितेन तं. चटुलपद खटित संकुलशिञ्जितेन तं. चटुलनटना समुज्ज्वलविलासं भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयम्. निरतकरकलित नवनीतं. निरतकरकलित नवनीतं. निरतकरकलित नवनीतं ब्रह्मादि सुरनिकर पावन शोभितपदम्. निरतकरकलित नवनीतं ब्रह्मादि सुरनिकर पावन शोभितपदम्. तिरुवेङ्कटाचलस्थितं. तिरुवेङ्कटाचलस्थितम् अनुपमं हरिं. तिरुवेङ्कटाचलस्थितम् अनुपमं हरिं परमपुरुषं गोपाल बालम्. परमपुरुषं गोपाल बालम् भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा. Thank you.
Brilliant.
Thank you, Rotarian Dr. Aruna, for the wonderful invocation.
Brilliant.
So next we would have the introduction speech by our Annette Purvika. We would like to hear from Purvika. Yes.
Yeah, you can start. Good evening. जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. The adjective august means respected, impressive, and something special. The month of August has a special significance in the history of modern India. The freedom struggle came to fruition in 1947, and 5 years prior to that, the Quit India movement was launched. The powerful exhortation, do or die, given by Mahatma Gandhi, reverberated throughout the country. Gandhi said, "There's a mantra, a short one that I give you. You imprint it in your heart and let every breath of yours give it an expression. The mantra is do or die. We shall either be free or die in the attempt." He was a torchbearer of non-violence. For him, it was always the means that justified the end. Without ethical means, the ends just degenerate into amoral power lust. Politics involve conflicts. Society has contradictions. Ideologies differ. Citizens feel strongly about issues, but there's only one way to express it: through non-violent political mobilization. India's independence movement also included an unprecedented number of women and ended up creating an unmatched number of women leaders. These actions not only changed women, but feminized men who learned to cook, clean, wash, spin, weave, and stitch. A shared humanity that replaced the gendered polarization of the dominant and the dominated. Assertive nationalists like Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandrapal believed in bold action. When Tilak roared with the clarion call that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, it brought a paradigm shift. It sprung the national movement into a different trajectory thereon. Revolutionaries like Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh took to armed resistance. They held up a socialist vision for India and embodied the pluralistic ethos of the freedom struggle. All of them put their country first, stood firm in their beliefs, and remained undeterred despite the threat of prison sentences and police batons. Today, we are humbled by the sacrifices of the patriots, the stalwarts, and the anonymous millions who stoked the fires of freedom in the front and attained martyrdom. We all made a tryst with destiny. We had a vision, we had a dream, and there's a maddening hunger to see it come true. Today, as we celebrate 75 years of our independence, our motto should be perform or perish. Realize your strength, build on them, and create a united, prosperous India. Thank you. Jai Hind. Wonderful.
Brilliant.
Thank you, Purvi, for the wonderful, inspiring speech. I think everybody has got the freedom essence in the speech itself now with hearing this. Thank you very much. And now we would like to hear from the President of Rotary Basavangudi, Rotarian Vinutha, about the club so that we can get to understand how Rotary Basavangudi is and what is the strength that we can also work along with together. Over to you, President. You're on mute. Please unmute.
Ellarigu namaskara. I welcome the President of E-Club, President Jagadish, and Secretary Kavita, and all the members of E-Club and Rotary Bengaluru Basavangudi. I have been installed as the 5th President of Rotary Bengaluru Basavangudi. We were chartered in 2015 with our Charter President, Krishna Marianka. We are a 5-year-old club, and with the support of our past presidents, Om Prakash, Shrikant Ekal, Lata Krishna, RBB has always been a vibrant and a young club with active participation in the district and it has been associated in many projects like Happy Schools, Washing Hands, Kamadhenu, tree plantations, zero waste management, women health and menstrual hygiene, Koirala Lake project in the past. And we hope to continue many useful projects for the society even this year. In the month of July, we planted 150 fruit-bearing saplings in the government school, and we also conducted an hackathon for the Camp Scanner. Along with that, we had a joint meeting in the month of July. Thanks to Jagdish President, who's with me today to celebrate Independence Day. We are currently a 35-member club, and we have 9 lady members in this club. Thanks to everyone for joining us for the celebration of Independence Day this evening.
Thank you, President. Thank you, President. And I would like to start about the Rotary Club and what we are doing it. And once again, good evening and welcome to all. Welcome to President Rotarian Vinutha. Welcome to Rotarian Shankar, Secretary of Rotary Baswangudi, and all other members of Rotary Baswangudi, and my fellow club members, Rotary Club members, and the past presidents from both the clubs. So it's my privilege to be here with this joint meeting. I think on a good occasion where we are about to celebrate the independence, we are starting up with a good note on having a friendship with 2 clubs, which will be building upon more, I guess. So that is what we are looking in for. To start about E-Club, we are a different club, which many of you would have got to know that we are a club who doesn't have a physical meeting. So we are a club which was chartered in June 10th in 2011. We are a 10 years old club. So we have a lot of past presidents here who have been part of the club, who had worked on to bring up this club with a different concept. And we were the first among the first club to say in South India to be a E-Club, a different concept of Rotary. So that is a major thing. And currently we have around 30 members. And to talk about a major highlight is our club has more than 45% women. So we have almost 12 women members and many couple members also. So that is one good thing. So which just gives a Rotary family to us, and we like doing that. And we have been doing a lot of projects. It's not that we don't meet physically on weekly basis, but we meet at least once in a week or once in 2 weeks for projects, for different activities which we meet in. And monthly once we have a club meet, a board meet, and a dinner meet, also family meets, which all happens physically. So only relaxation for us is the weekly meeting. That is the one thing we enjoyed. It's also good. But now everybody is into a E-Club during the situation. So that is a feel we all had it all these years. So that now everybody is experiencing it. And coming to our projects mainly in the last few years, what our leaders have taken up was mainly on menstrual and sustainable menstrual hygienes, where we have our own Rotarian who has written a book called Growing Up Right, which is being distributed to school children, government school children through various clubs. We have sold many Kannada English books to them, where they can learn about the menstrual hygiene, health, and those kind of things. And we have been doing a lot of blood donation camps, health camps in various places, to BBMP workers, to needy people in different places. And we have been supporting with the district projects. And we have been doing a lot. And this year it's been a different situation. But anyway, we started off well with different kinds of activities by supporting the needy for the kids' homes, for food, and for different kinds of series. Since we being an online club, we have started an informative session on every Sundays also, wherein we bring different speakers from different varied lines who will be talking about different kinds of things which will be useful for health, education, entrepreneurship, and different kinds of ways. So that are the major things we're doing it. And we look forward to do a lot of joint projects with various clubs, and also with Baswangudi, we are looking into to do more joint projects. And thank you very much. So next, moving on to our agenda, we have our present performance by our, I think Rotarian Shilpa is there.
Shilpa, you're there?
No, Shilpa has not joined, Vinutha.
I don't see her. Okay.
Send me a personal message. She has some network issues at home.
Okay. So then we'll go ahead with your performance, President, we'll start with your performance.
Tell me one thing. Why did you put my performance at the first?
No, we were trying to put Shilpa's performance. If not, we can have our Rotarian Shankar's performance also.
Sure. Shankar.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Shankar, you will start?
Yes.
You want me to start?
Yeah.
Nandre. One sec.
Jagdish, when he's performing, the screen will be focused on him, right?
Okay, guys, this is a patriotic song, very old patriotic song and pretty famous, which is sung by Mohammad Rafi. I'll be rendering the song जहां डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा. Okay. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती. ये धरती वो जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला. हरि राम हरि राम हरि राम हरि राम. जहाँ हर बालक एक मोहन है और राधा एक एक बाला, और राधा एक एक बाला. जहाँ सूरज सबसे पहले आकर डाले अपना फेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती. जहाँ आसमान से बातें करते मंदिर और शिवालय, किसी नगर में किसी द्वार पे कोई न ताला डाले, कोई न ताला डाले. और प्रेम की बंसी जहाँ बजाता आए शाम सवेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. जय हिंद.
Thank you so much, Shankar. That was a wonderful song. I could see a lot of comments in the chat already. So it's a nice melodious one. It was nice voice. Thank you so much. And the next performance, we will have it from our E-Club Rotarian Veena Venkatesh, who is our Jhansi Rani dressed up here.
Thank you, Jagdish. Hi, everyone. ನಾನೊಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಗೀತೆನ ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧರ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತ ಸಾರುತಿಹುದು ಜನಹಿತ ವಿಶ್ವ ಶಾಂತಿಗಾಗಿ ದುಡಿವ ಸಕಲರಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಧರ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತ ನ್ಯಾಯ ನೀತಿ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಶಾಂತಿ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ. ತ್ಯಾಗ ಯೋಗ ಭೋಗ ಮೈತ್ರಿ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತ. ಧರ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಶೌರ್ಯ ಸಾಹಸಗಳ ವೀರಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತ. ಸರ್ವಧರ್ಮ ಸಮನ್ವಯದ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತ. ಧರ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತ ಸಾರುತಿಹುದು ಜನಹಿತ ವಿಶ್ವ ಶಾಂತಿಗಾಗಿ ದುಡಿವ ಸಕಲರಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಧರ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಭಾರತ.
Wonderful, wonderful.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಯ್ತು.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Veena. That was a wonderful performance.
Thank you.
And next, I would think we would have our President Rotarian Vinuta's performance.
Yes. I'm going to play that.
I think there is something big coming up. There is a change. Yes.
Okay, everyone is in
ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು?
ನೋಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ.
2 ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ಸಾಕು.
ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿ ಜೈ.
That focus her. Focus Vinuta.
ಯಾವ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮನ್ರೋ ಒಪ್ಪಂದದ ವಿಷಯ ತಮ್ಮೊಡನೆ ಚರ್ಚಿಸಬೇಕು. ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ
ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಬ್ಬು ತಿನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕೂಲಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕೇನು? ಮೋಡ ಮಳೆ ಸುರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಬೆಳೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನೀವೇನು ನಮ್ಮವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಿತ್ತೀರಾ, ನಮ್ಮವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ನಾಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ದಣಿದವರಿಗೆ ಗಂಜಿ ಕಾಯಿಸಿದೀರಾ? ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನೀವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರೇ, ಬಂಧು ಬಾಂಧವರೇ, ನೆಂಟರಿಷ್ಟರೇ, ದಾಯಾದಿಗಳೇ? ನಿಮಗೇಕೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ?
ಸೂಪರ್ ವಿನುತಾ ಅವರೇ, ಸೂಪರ್.
Still expecting some more performance. I thought it's not over.
Some more, huh? Okay. I will enact. Give me an opportunity for the live performance someday.
Okay. Thank you so much, President Vinita.
Jagdish?
Excellent.
That was lovely. That was lovely, Rotary Vinod.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Dr.
lovely.
Karuna. Thank you.
I think you should take up acting. Jagdish, with your permission and Rotarian Vinuta's permission, get my son sort of do his fancy dress a bit because
course.
he's getting quite suffocated in it.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, go on. So Rohan is 9 years old. Come on, Rohan. Yeah.
Dax, can you please
Hello everyone. I am a COVID warrior. I am fighting against coronavirus. I am keeping you safe. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, that was wonderful.
Brilliant.
All of us, that's nice.
He's wearing the entire costume with, not costume, but entire PPE, protective equipment, with the goggles, the mask, the entire non-permeable, gown, as well as shoe covers. So he's been getting suffocated in that, which is why I wanted to interject. Thank you.
Thank
That
you.
was wonderful. That's they are the current heroes now. Thank you so much.
Jagdish, I think Shilpa is not logged in due to network issues.
Okay.
I have 3 minutes, right? Our
Yes.
treasurer's wife, Savita, wants to perform. So whenever Shilpa's time is there, please allow her to perform.
We can go ahead now only. We'll start.
Rajesh, you're there? Savita, you're there? Savita?
You are muted. Unmute ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Idara, Savita or Idara?
Dax, can you please focus on her?
I'm still waiting, to find out what is the ID.
Rajesh Anta.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗೆಯ ತೆನೆ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹದಲಿರ ಉತ್ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಗ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಹಿಮದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗತ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಸನಗಳ ಸಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲೆಗರಿಯ ಸಿರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಗುಲಗಳ ಭಿತ್ತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಹಲವೆನ್ನದ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯೇ ಕುಲವೆನ್ನದ ಗರಿಮೆಯೇ ಸದ್ವಿಕಾಸಶೀಲ ಗರಿಯ ಲೋಕಾಮೃತ ಸೀಮೆಯೇ ಈ ವತ್ಸರ ನಿರ್ವತ್ಸರ ಮರುದುದಾರ ಮಹಿಮೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Wonderful performance.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Can you introduce yourself, Savita?
I am treasurer Rajesh Bedagodu's wife Savita Rajesh. I'm homemaker.
That's wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you for the wonderful performance. Thank you. I think in the performance list, we have only one more performance is left in the planned one. If there is anybody who wants to perform now, we can even request now. I think we have our Annette performance is still pending.
Veena wants to say something.
Yes, Veena madam. Yeah, please go ahead.
ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ವೇಷ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ.
Please go ahead.
Come on, Veena. Dancing.
ಏಯ್ ಫಿರಂಗಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿ ಕರ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಝಾನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಕಬಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಬಹುದು ಎಂದುಕೊಂಡರೇನು? ಅದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ ಬದುಕಿರುವವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದು ತುಂಡು ಜಾಗವನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ತೊಲಗಿರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲವಾದರೆ ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚೆಂಡಾಡಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಹರ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ್, ಹರ ಹರ ಮಹಾದೇವ್.
Har Har Mahadev.
Wow, Veena. Great, Veena. Great performance.
Veena, itru serkonda.
Amazing, Veena. Amazing.
After a long time, we have able to see your live performance. We have been seeing only in TV and movies. Now we are able to see your live performance.
Lovely.
Superb, Veena.
So next we have our Annette Shivani's performance. Sir, Shankar sir, can we go ahead with that?
1 minute. She's just getting another 2 minutes, and she'll be ready.
Okay. So is there anybody else who would like to do some performance? The floor is open now.
Oh, she's here.
Yes.
Very pretty, Shivani. You're looking very pretty.
Thank you. Okay, so today I'm going to be singing "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo" by Lata Mangeshkar. I have while I'm singing, I would just like everyone to remember the sacrifice of our soldiers and feel the song. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, मर मत भूलो सीमा पर, वीरों ने है प्राण गवाए, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आंख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आंख में भर लो पानी, शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी। संगीन पे धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आंख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद की सेना, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was a wonderful performance. It was a nice performance by you. Thank you so much, Anand.
Shankar, if at all I'm right, Shivani also plays violin, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
she
I
does.
play violin.
I have heard her performance when he got elected. Actually.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Right.
nice.
You remember? Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very good, Shivani.
Thank you, auntie.
Superb, matured voice already.
Thank you, auntie.
Shivani, you're looking beautiful. Your voice is also awesome.
Thank you, auntie.
Thank you. Thank you. So the next performance, I've already got 2 requests from our members. I think we would have our Rotarian Kausalya to perform now. Kausalya, are you ready?
Super.
आदाब, पैदाइश मोहम्मदी खानम, आज आपके सामने बेगम हजरत महल। हिंदू मुसलमान एक साथ लड़ेंगे पर अवध आपके हवाले नहीं करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे। I also have one more contestant.
Yeah, please go ahead.
The year I died, 1879, was born the Nightingale of India, presenting to you Sarojini Naidu.
Friends, I come to you from many thousand miles away as an ambassador of a very ancient country to the youngest nation in the world. Jai Hind.
Very good.
Thank you.
Nice, very nice.
That was a wonderful performance by Rotarian Kausalya and her mom. Thank you so much. And
It's wonderful that your mom also participated with you. Thank you.
you're on mute, Kausalya.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I was requesting her, and this is the first time after years as an adult she's even doing a dress-up competition or taking somebody else's role. So thanks to her enthusiasm at this age.
Super. Thank you so much. So next we have another request from our Rotarian Smriti, who is going to sing us a song, a melodious song.
Hi everybody. I'm going to sing a Krishna song.
Oh.
ಎಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ ಮುದ್ದು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ ಮುದ್ದು ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ ಎನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಂದಾಡದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ ಎನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಂದಾಡದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ ಮುದ್ದು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಯೋ ಮುದ್ದು ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಆಲಯದೊಳಗೆ ನೀನಾಡದೆ ಚೀನಿ ಪಾಲು ಸಕ್ಕರೆಯನಿ ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬಾಲಯರೊಡನೆ ಕುಡ್ಯಾಡದೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬಾಲಯರೊಡನೆ ಕುಡ್ಯಾಡದೆ ಮುದ್ದು ಮುದ್ದು ಬಾಲಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಬೇಗ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಂದಾಡ ಎಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಂದೆವು ದೂರಂಗಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಎಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಂದೆವು ಮುದ್ದು ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you so much, Rotarian Smriti.
Thank
That
you.
was a wonderful voice. Nice.
Thank you.
Good. I think the judges are getting a big task. I guess we have a lot of performance coming up in line. I think slowly we are having one by one. So it's good. We have another performance now. I think we would now see another performance from our Annette Shivani. Sir Shankar sir.
Yes, sir. 5 minutes. She's still getting ready.
Okay, then in the meantime, we'll have another performance from our E-Club Secretary, Rotarian Kavita, who will be performing now, who is also one of our singers, because we also have a good singer group in our club.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Jagdish, for the opportunity. I just squeezed in. I'm sure I can't squeeze physically. I could squeeze over here. So, me with my daughter here, going to like to perform the Hacchevu Kannada Deepa, the song. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ಮರೆತೇವು ಮನವ ತೆರೆದೇವು ಮನವ ಎರೆದೇವು ಒಲವ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ. ನರ ನರಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಹುರಿಗೆಳಿಸಿ ಹೊಸೆದು ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
That was a lovely song. Thank you so much.
Lovely, lovely Kavita.
Very nice, Kavita.
Super, super.
Jagdish, Rotarian Jagdish.
Yes, Rotarian Kavita.
My eldest son Tejas would like to sing a song in a little while.
Can we have it now?
Can we have it now? Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah?
Because
Okay.
we have 2 more performances. Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Tejas.
So I'm going to be singing a song by Kailash Kher. The name of the song is Humse Behtar Hum. Humse Behtar Hum, Bolo Vande Mataram, Atmanirbhar Hum, बोलो वंदे मातरम. शून्य में संभावना आता हमें है देखना. विश्वविद्यालय तक्षशिला विश्व को पहला मिला. शल्य सुश्रुत प्रधान है, दुनिया के लिए वरदान है. जग को हमने ही सिखाया वसुदैव कुटुंबकम. आत्मनिर्भर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम. हमसे बेहतर हम, बोलो वंदे मातरम. योग राम बाण है, सदियों का ये ज्ञान है. ताज अपना ताजमहल हुनर की पहचान है. जान जग जगदीश से की पौधों में भी तो जान है। रमन ने लहरा दिया रमन प्रभाव का परजम। आत्मनिर्भर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। आत्मनिर्भर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम।
Lovely, lovely, very nice, very nice.
Thank you so much.
Very, very lovely voice.
I think if
Thank you.
yes, thank you, Dr. Roti and Aruna. Shankar sir, can we go ahead with the your daughter's performance and it's Shivani's performance?
Can I sing a para if Shivani is not ready?
It's good, it's good.
Yeah, sure.
Anupama, you go ahead and sing something.
Yeah, it's just a para.
Yeah.
Thought for all of us. You know, always when I listen to this song, I find the words so true. Like, you know, we have borders only for human beings, but not for the birds. Panchi nadiya pavan ke chonke, koi sarhad nahi roke. सरहद इंसानों के लिए है, सोचो तुमने और मैंने क्या पाया इंसान होके। पंछी नदियाँ पवन के झोंके, कोई सरहद ना इन्हें रोके। जो हम दोनों पंछी होते, तैरते हम इस नीले गगन में पंख पसारे। सारी धरती अपनी होती, अपने होते सारे नजारे, खुली फिजाओं में उड़ते, खुली फिजाओं में उड़ते, अपने दिलों में हम सारा प्यार समाए। पंछी नदियाँ पवन के झोंके, कोई सरहद ना इन्हें रोके। Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was a wonderful one.
Nice, Anupama.
Thanks, Asha.
Jagdish, my daughter is ready.
Okay, super. So I think we have one Anupama in both the clubs actually. So that is one similarity we have. So fine, now we will move on to the next performance by Anand Shivani. Yes, Shivani, please go ahead.
मैं झांसी की रानी हूँ, मैं मेरी झांसी कभी नहीं दूंगी, किसी कीमत पर नहीं दूंगी। हर हर महादेव।
Thank you. That was wonderful.
Wonderful.
Thanks a lot.
So I think we have had a very nice performances from everyone. I think it's a good opportunity and good chance to see a lot of people's talents. It's been very nice today. And is anybody else would like to perform? If there is anybody else who wants chance, we can do it. Or if not, we'll move on to the next agenda and the meeting.
I think Om Prakash can stand on his head. Because of him only we won the ICGF last time.
Oh, nice.
And
Oh.
because of his headstand only we won. So he can demonstrate a headstand, I guess.
I think now the judges are very much confused because we were telling that we will be all dressed up on the Independence Day theme and then they can judge it. But we had a lot of performances and many people have performed very nicely. So I think we can take that as a judging thing, or shall we go ahead with the costumes also?
That is,
Pres-
I think we can do both, I guess. I don't know.
yes, I would like to hear from President Rotarian Vinita.
Jagdish, let's take both the together performance and the costume, both based on that it should be judged.
Yes, the judges are there listening to us.
Yes, they leave it to them. Let's not interfere.
Yeah, that is there.
Best.
So if somebody wants to show their costumes full, we can do that now. So whoever wants to.
No, don't trouble the PPE child because he did an amazing job already. We have seen him fully. Maybe Veena or Kausalya, if she wants to.
Yes.
Can you focus on them? Just check with them.
Rotarian Veena, we would like to see the full costume. Yes.
Nice. Is there any space, Veena, behind? If you can move the camera back.
Yeah. 1 sec.
Jagdish, hope we are not troubling Veena.
No problem. I'm just getting.
We just want to see you, in full action.
Yes.
Oh, truly good.
Lovely, lovely.
Lovely.
Nice.
Was it okay? Full?
Beautiful. It was just beautiful.
Good.
Gorgeous.
Maybe you want to pose once again so that Jagdish will click a picture or I'll click a picture.
Okay, 1 sec.
Careful.
Be careful, Veena.
Okay, ready?
Brilliant.
Super.
Veena, I'll click your pictures.
Yeah, it's done.
ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
Thank you, Veena.
Too good.
Thank you.
Jagdish, sorry to interrupt.
No problem. Tell me. Let's go.
My mother has a few dialogues to render.
Oh, nice. Let's have.
Sorry, not a dialogue. Gandhi's song.
Gandhi's song. Okay, sit down.
Ayyo.
Can you hear her?
Start. Ayyo, రామర పుట్టినాడయ్యా పోరుబందరు పట్టడంబులోన గట్టి కోబుట్టి బిడ్డడయ్యా మన కరంచంద్రు గాంధీ తాత తండ్రులు కథైవారులు దివానులైనారు తాతలనంగా ధర్మము తప్పక దారుని ఏలాడు చాలు గాంధీ చరిత్ర సారీ I am 80 years old. I can't say much. But in 10 years old, when I am 10 years old, I sing a song full life, Gandhi's life, until independence to our country. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Very good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Yes. So anybody else who would like to display your costumes full? I think Kausalya, if you're there. Anybody who's dressed up who wants to Grab the gift vouchers. Yes.
The background is not great. Can you see? Okay.
But you are looking great, Kausalya.
Thank you very much. My mom's is the same sari. Do you want her to present full too?
Yes, that will be nice. We'd like to see the Sarojini Naidu again. Nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Ma.
Thank you. Adab.
Adabar, sir.
Thank you.
Combination mother-daughter.
Yes, that's nice. So anybody else?
Yeah, Shivani is there.
Yes.
Sorry, she slipped and fell.
No, that was really.
Kittur Rani Chennamma.
I know, that was real Kittur Rani Chennamma fighting.
Beautiful.
Mr. P, na?
Oh, so cute.
She tripped over the sari and fell.
Was it a part of the performance or it was an accident?
Laughing. Help her out. Is she fine?
No, was it a part of a performance or it was an accident?
I think it was an accident per
No,
se.
you should utilize it. You should say she deliberately did this. So we'll give extra points for that.
That's a question from the judge.
But you have to be fair towards all.
It was an accident, so sorry.
No, that's absolutely fine. Are you okay? No problem?
Fine. I'm just scared about the sari.
Oh.
Good, nice. Thank you.
Right.
So anybody else?
We would also like to have President Vinuta full costume, please. If not for the judge, for the photograph.
Okay,
please.
for the photograph. Okay,
Yes.
for the photograph, yes.
Okay.
Bandrappa.
ಕಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು. It was very quick. Once more, President. I am not able to click the picture.
Oh, you want? Can you now?
Yes, 1 minute. Yeah.
Vinuta, go back and stand.
Yeah, go back and stand. Little up, tilt the camera up. Yeah, perfect.
ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Thank you.
ವಿನುತಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಬೇಡ, ವಿನುತಾ ಬೇಕು.
ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಅನು. ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲರ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರು ಕವಿತಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಕವಿತಾ ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಿ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮೈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್.
ನೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಬೇಡ, ವಿನುತಾ ಬೇಕು.
ಕಪ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಬೇಕು.
Any time for you guys.
Can I participate?
Dinner meet after this COVID.
Yeah, I think there are too many voices. We are not able to hear. Yes.
Can I participate?
And Jagdish.
One male contestant.
Can I participate?
I'm not in the contest, but I am just Nehru costume. I've done it. Just a minute.
Jagdish, can you take the meeting forward?
Just a minute.
As Nehru. Yes, Jagdish.
No, not this. Just a minute.
You're slanted.
Turn it by 90 degrees, Jagdish. Jagdish, turn it.
Turn 90 degrees, Jagdish.
Jagdish, turn.
I'm not able to.
It's okay, we'll turn our head. Like this.
Jagdish, otherwise you walk on the wall.
We'll turn 90 degrees then.
Yeah, I'm done.
Jagdish, you're tilted 90 degrees.
Yeah, but that's fixed on a tripod. I'm not able to shift my mobile. I'm only fixed on the side. So let's go ahead with the next. Anybody else would like to show their costumes? If we are done with it, then we can go ahead with the judges' decision on the winners who will be grabbing the gift vouchers.
Yeah, it was a very interesting meet actually. It was almost like a fellowship meet.
First, I would like to give an intro about our judges so that then we can have the judges talk on it. I welcome our Rotarian President Ashwani Kinger from Rotary Brigades and our President from Rotary Orion Gateway, Rotarian Anu Pallavi. So both are the judges who have been watching our performances all these while, and thank you so much for being here from the start and been witnessing our performances in the meeting. And over to you, judges.
Yeah, hi, good evening. It was an amazing performance, very good joint meeting. Actually, I don't want this to end. So I was watching for some more performances or even repeat performances would have done. Fantastic, very nice meeting. And Anu, you would like to share something?
Hi, good evening, everyone. First and foremost, amazing speech by Purvi. I thought only mother was a go-getter, but seems like even the kids have inherited all the great qualities. And it was just amazing to be a part of this program. And I would like to thank my great good friends, Rotarian Jagdish, Rotarian Vinuta, for having me invited as one of the judges. And it was great being part of this program with Rotarian Ashwani, and great participants from both RECB and RBB. So now if the other judge, Rotarian Ashwani, is fine, I can go ahead with announcing the winners. I can't hear you, Ashwan.
Yes, Anu, it's a privilege. You can go ahead and announce the winner.
Before that, we have one more performance coming up. So we just have
Okay.
we have
So
a
that I
Rotarian,
changed the scheme. Yeah.
Rotarian who will be performing now.
Oh,
Please go ahead. Unmute yourself, sir. Sir, you unmute yourself. Yeah. Okay. You're done. Unmute. Thank you.
I would want to show the color combination that I've done with my family. Will we get up? It's me in green, my mother in orange. My Amma, thank you for participating. This is my son in white dress and me in blue. So we have all the national flag
All the
colors.
colors. All the colors of the national flag is there in the family.
Yes.
Nice. Good. Thank you. Thank you so much. So let's hear from the judges now. Over to our judges, Rotarian Anupallavi and Rotarian Ashwani.
It was very difficult to pick out the winners because all of you were too good, especially the children and the mothers, you know, who have come here. First prize goes to Veena, RECB. Veena, you are just amazing as Jhansi. Just loved you in the costume and your enacting as Jhansi. Second goes to Kausalya. Kausalya, congrats. Third, Shivani, though the plate did fall, that's okay, but the third prize goes to Shivani. And we appreciate Annette, I'm sorry I didn't get his name, who was in the PPE. He also deserves to be a winner.
Rohan.
I didn't get his name.
Rohan.
Rohan in the PP?
Rohan.
Yeah.
Rotarian Aruna's son.
Yes.
Dr.
So
Aruna
that's
Muralidhar,
how, yeah. Congratulations, winners. You all were too good. Thank you so much.
I think
Bye.
Rohan should get one consolation prize because he really was serious. Where is he? Hi, Rohan. We couldn't recognize you then. Yeah. Good.
Can we see Rohan without the PPE?
Yeah, without the PPE. And now a special mention to Vinuta's performance. You know, if she wasn't a judge, she would have definitely gone ahead with the prize. But Vinuta, I'll be very careful next time, you know, when you are a participant. You're going to
Do something like this in district, Ashwin.
Yes, we should. You will definitely win hands down.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was an amazing meet, amazing performances. Lovely. You know, we like to definitely try to take something out of this for our clubs also, for our meetings. Great evening.
Please stay with us for the vote of thanks and national anthem.
Yes, sure, sure.
Thank you so much, Ashwini and Anupallavi.
You're
JD,
welcome.
over to you.
Thank you, Vinuta.
Thank you.
Thank you, JD.
Yes. So next we'll move on to the announcements and vote of thanks from Rotarian Shankar for the RBB.
Okay. Okay, so just a few announcements for all. This month we've had until today we've had a few birthdays that we have celebrated. Our newest members, Shilpa and Sunil's sons, they were celebrated. Nagaraj's daughter's birthday was on 7th of August. Our treasurer Rajesh's wife's birthday was on 10th. And Asha, our youth service director, Asha's husband's birthday was on the 1st of August. This is as far as the birthdays go. We have a blood donation camp on which we have organized on the 15th of August at the Vasavi Convention Center. That is day after tomorrow. It will be from 9 to 2:30 in the afternoon. All are welcome. And this has been done by RBB Rotary Basangudi. At the same evening, we have a participant. We are also a participant club in the district level Independence Day music program also. We have a guest speaker meet on the 20th, where Mr. Shiv Ballare will be the guest speaker. That's all from now. And for a vote of thanks, thank you all the presidents who joined. If I miss out somebody, please do excuse me. So that's why I'll just say everyone who's joined, all the 40 participants who came in. It was so nice of you to all have spared your time and come. Thank you very much for the wonderful performances. Thank you, Vinita and President Jagdish. That was real good fun, and I hope the others also had a lot of fun. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rotarian Shankar. We would like to have the club announcements and the word of thanks from our Rotary Club of Bangalore Secretary, Rotarian Kavita.
Once again, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank President Vinita. Thank you so much for the wonderful arrangements and the enthusiasm, the way your entire family has participated. I really congratulate you for that. And extremely nice and smiley faces of the kids, wonderful. And special, appreciation to the Purvika, who gave a wonderful speech, welcome speech. It was really nice. So fluous, she was so good. Thank you so much. It was wonderful. I would like to thank Dr. Aruna for her, for the invocation song. Thank you, Dr. Aruna. Even though, in this time, pandemic time, where she's completely busy in her schedule, I really thank her and the entire family, who took part in today's event. I really appreciate Aruna for this wonderful involvement of your family. Thank you so much. You brought so much of light in our entire life. Thank you, Aruna. And I would like to thank Annette Shivani, who was really extremely good. Yes, Shivani, you were extremely good in both performance and as well as singing. It was awesome. One of my favorite songs. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you so much for that. I would like to thank even our Aruna's son Rohan, who was really in this PPE kit he was, and even though we really thank doctors for for all this, but he could do it for the sake of our event. It was really nice of him to come out with this thought. And we have another doctor already in the family, I guess, Aruna. Congratulations for that. And would like to thank Kausalya and Veena. Extremely good performance. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank a couple of other Rotarians who participated. I'm sure I'm not going to mention Vinutha for this. She was extremely good, in your performance and the costume. I'm sure if you were the participants, I'm sure judges had no other choice of, giving anyone else. Congratulations for that. Extremely good, extremely enthusiastic. And thank you so much for this. And I would like to thank Rotarian Anupama and Om, who performed, could not hear this thing. So thank you so much for that. Kausalya, special thanks to your mom who were a part of it. Thank you so much. I'm sorry if I've missed anybody. Really, thank you each and everyone who participated today. We celebrated a couple of announcements. We celebrated Rotarian Satyanarayan Reddy's wedding anniversary on 3rd August and Rekha Raghu on 8th August. And we will be celebrating Kandasa's birthday on 22nd and Surendra's wedding anniversary on 25th. And Madhavi and Madhavi Mohan's birthday on 26th. So this is from my end. Thank you very much. And on this event of Independence Day, I would like to take this opportunity. Let's all work together to get the freedom from this pandemic COVID-19. Let's work together and stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much for the wonderful evening. Thanks a lot. Over to you, Jagdish. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Kavita. And a couple of project announcements which we are doing it in the coming days. Just I wanted to inform our members also. So tomorrow there is a session, Raila session, which will be happening for the Rotaract Club. The Rotaract Club of Golden Rocks, Bangalore, and Rotaract Club of Chandigarh, Himalayan will be partnering with us, and we are doing a PCOD session, which will be done by our Rotarian Aruna Muralidhar, who will be delivering the Railas, which we have been doing it regularly. So that has been planned on 14th and 15th August on at 8:30 a.m. We have a flag hoisting, which has been happening at Capital Public School with the staff, and also following to that, we are doing a tree plantation program at the campus next to the school. So there will be a tree plantation also, which is going to happen there on 15th August. And then on 16th August, it's a Sunday where we are doing our regular informative sessions. So if any youngsters who are interested to join an army, we are bringing in a brigadier who was in a part of various in various positions, who's also be talking about how youngsters can join into army and serve the country. So that is one thing which we thought is a necessity. It's a informative one which can help during this independence time for the youngsters or the Rotaractors mainly. Please share the information with your Rotaract clubs. I think Rotary Bangalore Basangudi has 4 Rotaract clubs, I guess, if I'm not wrong, the count.
Six.
Okay, sorry, that is what I was talking. So 6 clubs are there. So we want all the members to be a part of it. So we will also be relaying it on YouTube also, because it will be a very informative session, and the person he has served in the SSB in Bangalore also for a couple of years. So he has a lot of knowledge, and he's a brigadier who is commanding the unit in Punjab currently. So we are bringing him online. So that is the session we are doing it on Sunday. And on Monday and Tuesday, we are planning to distribute masks, sanitizers, arsenic tablets, and shampoos, cold cream, and juices to police stations. That is in East region for 2-3 police stations, where we are trying to give them and thank them for the support and what they've been doing it. So we'll be visiting in Banaswari police station and Ramoti Nagar police station, and also maybe Baipanalli, and we will be doing it in Wilson Garden also. So these are the places where we're doing it. So these are the plans and the projects on eve of Independence Day, what we're doing it, and look forward to all the members' presence and also all the participation from RBB also, Rotary Bangalore Basangudi also. So it'll be good to see all of you. And thank you so much for all the participation. And it was a wonderful session. And we had a lot of other presidents also who joined in the early stage, where our president from Whitefield Central was there, but I think he's not there currently now. And I also would recognize the AGs. 2 AGs are there from each club. AG Rotarian Srikanth and AG Rotarian Veerappan from our club. So thanks to both the AGs. So thanks to everyone who have been part of this team and made this evening a wonderful one. Thank you so much.
And I would like to know the least.
Good show, Jagdish and Vinita. Wonderful. I think happy Independence Day all. You guys rocked. Both of you rocked. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Jagdish, can we close this with the national anthem?
Yes.
Meeting to call, meeting to end after that. Meeting adjourned after.
Okay. Then let's all stand for the national anthem.
Janagana
Mana Adinayaka Jaya Hai Bharat Bhakya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Uttara Ganga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uttara Jala Ranga Shivaname Jane Shishamahe Kane Javajaya Dada Janagana Jaya Jaya He Bharat Bhakya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank Thank you all.
Thank you everyone. All the E-Club members. It was amazing connecting with each one of you. We'll meet up personally for some other club joint meeting.
Yes.
Thank you.
Adjourn.